Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw your Bitcoin, your BTC, from your core mining app to your exchange wallet. Okay, you can make use of your Trust wallet, your Binance, your Huobi, or your Gates.io. Okay, whichever exchange wallet, any crypto wallet you have, you can use it to uh, do your withdrawal. Okay, so for the purpose of this video I'm going to make use of my Binance. Okay, so I will quickly go to me. Okay, I'll click on me, then I'll click on the BTC. This is it. I'll click on it, then this will appear. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the value of the BTC that I've earned. Okay, and this is the balance that I have. Okay, so I'll simply tap on it. Okay, just tap on this BTC. I tap on it, then excuse me. Now as you can see here, this is the Bitcoin that I've withdrawn before, the time. Okay, this is the status, the amount I withdraw, this and this as well. Okay, so actually you can use this Satoshi core mining app to earn BTC and also withdraw BTC safely to any exchange wallet you want. Okay, now simply I will go to, in order to withdraw the BTC balance that I have, I will go to withdraw. Okay, when I click on withdraw, then this is the withdrawal address. Okay, I'll go to my exchange wallet and copy it, then put it here. Then this is the amount of BTC that I want to withdraw. Then you put your asset password. Now before that, I want you to read this. Okay, it is very important that you read this. Okay, you can read it so that you understand better. First is you use the BTC network to withdraw the coin. It is very important, and please, you fill in the BTC address. Do not use ERC20 or any other network addresses. What you have to use is BTC network. Okay, secondly, it says that the withdrawal will be processed once every day at 1500 to reduce the cost of service fee. So you pay attention to this. Then number 3 says that the network charges the withdrawal fee, and the platform has reduced the cost through technical optimization. Now on your own, you can go through this reminder. Okay, make sure you read it, you understand it. It's very simple. Now the most important I want to take note of is the address. Okay, that is item number 1 here. The address, make sure that the address you are using is BTC network. Okay, let me show you an example. Now I'll quickly go to my Binance account. Okay, now this is my Binance, this is my BTC. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so now let me click on deposit. Okay, this is deposit. Okay, let me click on deposit. Then this is where I want you to pay attention to. As you can see, this is choose network. Here we have lots and lots of network. We have the BEP20, we have the Bitcoin, we have the BEP2. Okay, we have so many others, BTC, and we have the ERC20, which is the Ethereum network. Now this is the one you are going to copy. This is what you are going to make use of. You understand? This is the network you are going to make use of. Other exchanges also have their own network. So when you get there, if you are not using Binance, let's say if you are using your Trust wallet, when you open your Trust wallet, you see the one that has a BTC as the network. So that is the one you are going to make use of. So when I click on this Bitcoin, I'll simply copy the address, then go back and paste it in my Satoshi app. So let me quickly do that. So I've copied the address. So what I'll do now is I'll come to this withdrawal address. Okay, then I'll paste it there, here, after which I'll put the amount that I want. So I want to withdraw all the BTC that I have. So what I'll do is I'll click on this all. Then after that, I'll put in my asset password. In my previous video, I've taught you how to set asset password. In case you have not watched the video, I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you watch it. So once you do all these, you simply click on withdraw BTC, and that is all. Okay, that is all. So this is my BTC address. I've pasted it, then I've clicked on all. Okay, I've clicked on all. So this is the total amount that I have. I've input my asset password. Then this is the network charges. Then this is what I am going to get in my wallet. Now after I click on this BTC withdrawal, okay, then a page will appear. I'll click on confirm. When you click on confirm, an email will be sent to your email address, the email with which you registered your Satoshi app. You understand? The email which you use for login. So a code will be sent to you there. You get the code, you paste it, okay, on the provision, on the box that will be provided. Then when you paste it, you click on confirm, and that is all. Okay, then you wait for the time it will be processed, then it will get into your wallet. Okay. So guys, once you successfully place your withdrawal, then this page will appear. Okay, this page will appear like this. Okay, now your transaction is the status, it's pending. Okay, so that is how to withdraw your BTC. Yes, you have to give it some time. Okay, maybe in the next in some hours time it will arrive into my wallet. Okay, now as you can see here, I don't have any BTC at all because I've just withdrawn it. And that is why my account here, my balance here appears 0 0. So guys, that is how to withdraw Bitcoin. It is very, very simple from this core mining app to any exchange wallet at all that we're making use of. Okay, so guys, thank you for being with me till the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video. If you find this video useful, please kindly give a thumbs up to my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop your comments at the comment section if you have any. If you have any question, please do well to drop it at the comment section, and in my next videos I'm going to respond to them. Okay, you can as well share this video to your friends. All right, thank you. See you in my next video.